Don't worry, don't worry. I will give you a role, alright? I'll give you a role. Just come to my house tonight and the role is yours. Let me call you back. This be the shot?
Nice shot.
Yes, must see the other one. No, go back.
I thought you said they would do it.
Solid. Oh, nice. I dey come there.
Okay.
I dey come there, come finish up.
Alright.
My boy.
Give me some. Boss.
Ankama.
Yeah.
Alpha.
Cool, boss.
Nice one.
Boss, I beg. I want to talk to you small.
Eh?
I want to talk to you.
What do you want to talk about?
Boss, I beg you. Oh, you see the script, you know. we read the script. You see, I wrote the script myself. So, see, the problem is, I get my friend, she the act, the girl, she be good at. I not see anybody with the act like that girl before. I was wondering, you know, if even if you be too sincere, make you give some my girl, but she the act wash. The girl, the performance, I don't see anybody with the act like that girl. Like the girl, even if you be too sincere, too work up, something self, make she just do the movie inside. Even one scene, one dialogue self at the bed.
You won't make her cast your girlfriend?
Oh no, not my girlfriend, no. Don't say it's my friend, but say the girl they act.
Agawa, you like know they understand how this on our industry they work, eh?
Yeah.
Let me explain it to you. You see all these big celebs, all these big names you see here, they are paid to be here. You know why? Because people will pay to watch them. And that is the essence of production. You understand me? So now, this is your girlfriend or your sister or your... Tell me, who knows her? You and who? If you say, not me, I give you the script, make you write.
What is? Since morning, you can't give human being food.
Why don't they give me
Yeah. Like the PM, they smell like PM in body odor.
I don't understand something. Why the PM will get better food when they will give us just business food? This is the
This one will be the matter. Since morning, we come. The matter they worry me. I know the fish up. Ring. Right now, the girl, she has no hopes around me. She sees me like a god. Because of the lie we tell her, I'm the producer, you be director, go use them. Right now, if you are Appiah.
Yeah, true. I know say fool.
Oh.
You fool too much. So right now, what you go do now?
I don't know. I want to tell her the truth.
Hey, not try that thing. See, you for be smart, oh. So you won't tell me, say, if this girl open for you, you no go chop for them.
Oh, yeah, I go chop. If you open, I go chop.
What is wrong you? You know, say you fool. You fool like Kumchacha. So you tell the lie, oh, this one say in the end, you can't talk the truth. Why be not touching? See, I gotta tell you something. If you be smart, oh, see, make you not dull. Cause this girl, as you see, so actually they get it, they like it. Me, I go chop. Hey, shut up. Who really like what? What is wrong? Make you not tell them the truth.
Anita. Hey, Irene. I thought I told you to stop this movie acting. What is this?
This Magua, you come and see her! My first picture film.
And why are you happy? Anita, that's my first picture film. It's going to be premiered. Why shouldn't I be happy? Why shouldn't you? So you've not heard everything I've said in this house, have you? I said stop acting. And why can't I act? Huh? So you can do whatever you want to do, whilst I can't be what I want to be. How? I mean, do not raise your voice at me. And don't tell me what to do! Irene, if you want to act, then you better move out of this house and start providing your own meals. Have you heard? You're just jealous. Yes, that's what you are. You are a jealous sister. Who does it want me to be happy? Have you ever wondered why you are not married? Get married! Shut up! Do you want to fight me? Irene, fight me, let me see! Fight me, let me see! Fight me! Shut up! Shut up your mouth! Sesame.
Irene, where are you?
Had a fight with Anita, so I'm moving home.
What? You guys had a fight again? So now, where are you going in particular? Or do you have a place in mind?
I think so.
Please, can I come with you guys?
No, I don't think it's a good idea. You can't come with us. You can't.
But why?
Director, do you need her today?
No. Actually, Irene, right? Like I told you, we have few days to wrap up set, okay?
Yeah.
And I don't actually want to stress you, okay? It's not a good idea.
Yes, so.
You know, like I said, I'm casting you for the
next movie
job. Okay, so just share for me, okay?
Yes, we don't want any distraction.
We see, personally, okay, when I'm working, I so don't like distraction. I don't want to be distracted.
Am I now a distraction?
No! Kwame spokesman. Answer.
Distraction?
That's not what I mean, okay? What I'm trying to say is that, see, you are our superstar right now,
yeah.
okay?
We want to get into character,
See, your producer here is very passionate about you. Okay, so just stay home, rehearse, practice, and then you become the best. Yeah. Okay, that's what
get into character.
I need that emotions, that expressions.
That's
from
my director speaking.
You understand? So just.
I told director Director one.
Okay, then I'll see you guys.
Yes, they try and cook something for us today because
we're
very tight.
Face the wall and some ebunu, and there's some calves doing the See, make a cook rice. If like don't add stew, I'll go eat that.
You just stay home, okay? Sorry. What's the name of your favorite actor?
Oh, this.
Don't waste your time. I know it, okay? That's Kennedy Japan. Okay, but it can be too. Don't worry.
Yeah. You know we are starring Kennedy.
Yeah. And you know alongside you.
Yes, you are playing lead with Anas. Anas.
Esi. That was just.
You are not drinking.
Don't die.
you are not drinking?
They will die. You are taking these innocent children to military school at this age.
They are my children too, okay? You think I don't care? Huh? They need to be real men. They need to be disciplined.
But it's too early. They are going to die.
Listen, I went to the military school. Did I die? No. So what is your issue about this?
You are my issue. You want to kill them.
Enough! What do you think? What do you think about my decision?
You are the man of the house and you know what's best for everyone.
Unlike someone who I don't regret getting married to you.